Hey everybody, this is my Westinghouse Riviera Air cat number R-1020, and this thing is little. The grill opening is 8 inches across, so that means this is an 8-inch fan. It is effectively the smallest Riviera Air I have ever seen. It has this cool turbine grill on it, and the blades are just really deep pitched. So what we're going to do now is turn it around and give you a little side view of it. And it's got the intake turbine-like vanes on the side here, which direct the air. I believe they call these air director rings. That was in Westinghouse's literature for this fan, as I recall. Let's show the back now. And this is where the 2-speed switch is. It's just a little rotary 2-speed, so it's off to high to low, back to off. And what we're going to do now is turn this fan back around. There we go. And we're going to give a run through of the speeds. So here's high. Now this thing is very powerful and it's very quiet. And we'll turn it down to low. Now the switch on this does need a little bit of work. I haven't had a chance to really take it apart yet. All I've really done is a basic wipe down of the fan. But low is a nice quiet speed on this, so we'll let it run for a few minutes and I'll let you listen to it. And we're now going to turn the fan off and watch the spin down time. And that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed watching it. Thank you for watching, and we will have more to come. So stay tuned. Later.